Hi, I'm Rebecca Gordon with the Medicare Family, and in today's episode, we're going to talk about the bottleneck issues with the mail. Stay tuned. All right, so last year, 170 million prescriptions were delivered through the mail last year. And I think we're all aware that we're going through a serious bottleneck / delay with the post office. So what I want you to know as a consumer who might have signed up for a mail order, and a lot of people did. I encouraged all of my clients to do mail order. It's way more efficient, comes to your home. You don't have to go to a pharmacy that might be surrounded by germs and people who are sick. Well, this year, you may want to come off of that. You certainly don't want to be waiting on your prescriptions. There's a lot of prescriptions that you don't have the luxury to wait a couple days, wait a week until it arrives. I know I can't with any of my prescriptions. So since we know that we have an issue at hand right now with the delays with the mail and the post office, my recommendation is to talk to your agent. Clearly, feel free to reach out to us. But definitely consider coming off of the mail order for right now and going to the pharmacy. You can definitely go through the drive-thru and pick things up, keeping yourself COVID safe and distance from inside the store. So that's my update for today. This is a big deal going on, and it's certainly something I don't want anyone to be taken off guard when it comes to your prescriptions. So we would love to be the family that helps your family with all of your Medicare needs. Thanks for watching. We'll talk next week.